Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox error code 0x82323002. The error reads, "Sorry we couldn't record that." As per the user's complaints, they have this error when they try to record game clips, but the error prevents them from recording. According to our research, there are no exact reasons for the error, so we have to try all kinds of workarounds. Now let's come to fixes for the error. To deal with the issue, the first thing we suggest is to go to Settings, then choose Preferences, and uncheck and recheck the Allowed Broadcast option. After that, check if the error still comes. If you still see the error, then consider turning off your console and then disconnecting it from the power, then wait for around 5 minutes and restart the console. Once the console restarts, check for the error. If the error still persists, then we suggest you check your captures. The error can come if you don't have enough space on your hard drive. If there is not enough space left on the hard drive, then consider clearing some space and then check for the error again. At last, if you are done with everything but still seeing the error, then you can try factory resetting the console. For some users, this resolved the issue, so this may also help you. But before you factory reset, we advise you to take a backup of all the important data on your console. To factory reset your Xbox console, go to Settings, choose System, choose Console Info, choose Reset Console, choose Reset, and keep My Games and Apps. Once the factory reset is done, try recording the game clips to check for the error. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.